Tom's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 30Z for quick out wireless. So this is a new budget phone for quick out wireless. It recently got released. So the TCL 30Z is now available for $89.99. So yeah, like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so to keep that in mind. So it's available now in slate gray. So yeah. So it's $89.99. If you're switching to quick, it's also $89.99 if you're if you need a new number, and it's $89.99 if you're a current customer as well. So no discounts on this phone here. So do keep that in mind. So this is the TCL 30Z. Yeah, guys, do you have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there, right here where my mouse is. Earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. You know, yeah, and I do like the wallpaper there, very nice and colorful wallpaper there. The left side has nothing. The back of the TCL 30Z is your single rear camera. That's it. You only get one camera lens on the back of this phone, which is pretty uncommon nowadays, because even budget phones will come with 2 or 3 cameras. This one only has 1, so to keep it in mind. You also get a camera flash, TCL logo, Cricket logo, and it looks like it's just a just basically just a flat back, just like no textures and nothing like that on the phone. So yeah, so that's kind of disappointing that it only has 1 camera lens on the back. It's kind of weird, but yeah. You guys can also pay monthly for this phone. I don't know why you guys would, but you can pay $30 a month as 0% APR with the firm if you guys want to pay monthly for it. Which I suggest you guys not do that, because this phone's $90. So if you guys want to give this phone a try, it's $90, guys. So yeah, so quick specs on the TCL 30Z. You guys have a 6.1-inch display, 8-megapixel rear-facing camera, 32 gigabytes of storage. So it says simplify your connection with the TCL 30Z, featuring a 6.1-inch HD Plus display, powered by next vision technology for enhanced visuals and adaptive eye care mode. So that's very nice. Stay informed and learn about the world almost instantly using the power of Google Lens built into the 8-megapixel rear camera. Capture dazzling selfies with the front-facing 5-megapixel camera by applying portrait and face beauty modes. The quad-core processor ensures a smooth performance and stable connection, while the expandable 32 gigabytes of internal memory saves albums worth of memories and songs. Quickly access your favorite apps and secure your information using Face Unlock. So you do get Face Unlock on here. No fingerprint. You do get Face Unlock though, so that's pretty cool, I guess, you know. Not bad for a budget phone like this. Visuals that matter. TCL 30Z comes equipped with a remarkable 6.1-inch HD Plus display, powered by Next Vision technology for brilliant visuals and optical comfort. Next Vision enhances your photos, videos, and games, delivering stunning highlights and contrast. TCL's proprietary visual technology brings improved comfort and readability to the palm of your hand, using adaptive eye mode to reduce optical strain, which is a very nice feature to have. All phones have something like this, so if you guys are using this phone in bed and you guys are like watching videos or reading stuff online, you can use the adaptive eye mode to reduce eye strain, which is very nice. Smart and pretty. Capable of capturing more than just a pretty face. The TCL 30Z brings the power of Google Lens to the 8-megapixel main camera, allowing you to shoot high-definition videos or quickly learn about the world around you. Every side is your good side with a 5-megapixel front-facing camera with portrait mode for simply stunning selfies. Performance when you need it. Tackle your to-do list with confidence, knowing the TCL 30Z is here to back you up. A 3000 mAh battery combined with TCL Smart Manager keeps you connected, and the 32 gigabytes of expandable memory allows you to save more of what you need and love. So yeah, the battery is a bit small on this phone, which most phones now come in with 5,000 milliamp batteries. This one has a 3,000 mAh battery, so that's gonna be a con for a lot of folks. So you can expand the memory up to 512 gigabytes via micro SD. So take advantage of that, because you'll need it on this phone here. The specs on this phone, there are some pros and there's some cons. Like the biggest pro, it does have Android 12, which is very nice, which is the latest and greatest of Android right now. Android 13 is currently in beta, but Android 12 is the latest stable version of Android. So you're getting Android 12, which is very nice. So not bad for a phone like this. Dimensions 6.14 inches height, 2.90 inches width, and 0.39 inches depth. Screen size, like I said, 6.1 inches, HD plus. That's a 720 by 1560 pixel resolution. It has a next vision display, of course, 32 gigabytes of internal storage. You did get 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone here. Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, 2 GHz Wi-Fi. So I don't think it's dual band Wi-Fi on this phone here. Bluetooth 5.0, which is very nice. Micro USB charging, which is a big con. That's a big con on this phone here that has a micro USB charging port. It's 2022, and a lot of phones now are coming with a Type-C charging port. This one has micro USB. Don't know why. Don't know why they couldn't put a Type-C charging port in here, but they didn't. So that's gonna be a lot of con for a lot of folks. Honestly, I'll just stay away from this phone. I'll just stay away from it. Personally, you do get mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling. You do get an 8 megapixel rear-facing camera with flash, 5 megapixel front-facing camera. Like I said, you only get one camera on the back, and that's it. One camera, that's it on the back. No dual cameras, no triple camera lenses, just one camera on the back. Pretty uncommon nowadays, because a lot of phones, even budget phones, are coming with 2 or 3 or 4 cameras. So yeah. You do get an octa-core processor, 3000 mAh battery, which I think it is removable. I think it is, because I don't see no slot for the micro SD card or SIM card slot. So pretty sure the back does come off, I'm sure. So yeah, so the specs on here are okay, I guess. I mean, it's a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. If you guys are looking to get some accessories for your TCL 30Z, Cricket has you covered with that here. So they got a couple of cases here. So y'all guys can probably go to Amazon and try to find accessories for the TCL 30Z. So y'all can try to Amazon and see if they got them there. So yeah. So there you guys have it, the TCL 30Z, now available at Cricket Wireless for $89.99. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, this phone, there's a lot of cons in this phone, in my opinion. The only part about the phone that it has Android 12, and that's it. The cons are it has a micro USB charging port. That's probably the biggest con of the phone. It has a 3000 mAh battery, and it only has a single rear camera lens on the back of the phone. And like I said, because a lot of phones now, even budget phones, are coming with 3, 4 camera lenses on the back, and this one only has one on the back. So kind of outdated in terms of that, but I mean, it's $90, and yeah. So don't expect a whole lot from this phone here. It does have Android 12, and it does have 3 gigabytes of RAM, so that's pretty decent for this type of phone here. I don't think it's Android Go. I think it's just regular Android 12 on board. So yeah. So there you guys have it, the TCL 30Z, now available by Cricket Wireless for $89.99. background. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.